What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if your Galaxy S25 Ultra keeps overheating. So to fix this issue, first of all turn off all the unused features that you have enabled. So to do this, swipe down to open quick settings panel. Now from here, if you are not using any feature that you have enabled, then disable that feature. So just simply tap on the feature and it will be disabled. So after this, if you are still facing the overheating issue, then the next solution is put unused apps to sleep. So to do this, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on battery. Now in battery, click on background usage limits, and here you will see a put unused apps to sleep button. So make sure this button is enabled and then click on sleeping apps and click on this add icon. Now you can manually add some apps to the sleeping mode. Just simply select the apps and then click on add. Now after doing this, it will help you to fix the overheating issue. But after these solutions, if you are still facing the overheating issue, then the last solution is try updating your mobile software. So to do this, open settings again, scroll down to the end and click on software update, and then click on download and install. Now from here, update your mobile software if you have any pending update, and after updating the software of your mobile, it will fix small software glitches like overheating issue. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.